Hello, all of you hackers, diddlers, and flammers out there. Let's take a look at our Audition video format. You can create one just like ours. Will Keith put together a stream of video that he put in for his audition, and you can do yours just kind of like it. Take a bunch of clips, organize it into one long stream, and then send them in. You can use either YouTube or send the file directly to us, whatever way you can. So let's take a look at how Will did. Alright, so he's starting on 8 on a hand. He's got a metronome playing in the background. He's marking time. Everything he's doing is totally fine. He's staring straight forward at the camera. And he plays his exercises one after the other. We just saw the clip jump. He's playing the next exercise. If you want to take a whole bunch of separate clips and put them together, you can do that. He had a little issue with the metronome there, but he got right back on. He did not stop and restart. He kept playing through, which is awesome. You could also try to do this in one single take. You don't have to announce the exercises. You can just play right through them. We know what they are. Doing okay so far. Try to make sure you're standing while you're doing these takes. If you don't have a drum stand, find a table or a chair, something close to the right height. Do not do this sitting on the ground. That's the worst way to play these things. Diddles are going to be tough, especially for the newer players. Do your best. Also note his stick choice. He's playing with heavy marching sticks. If you don't have heavy marching sticks, don't worry about it. Just play with what you have. I actually just got my new sticks in the mail. Pretty excited about using these things. This is counting heck. It's a weird one. Just do your best, guys. One hand is totally fine. We're just testing your reading skills. Keep track of that dynamics and the tempo. So now we switched over to the mallets. He's going to go through all of the scales that he knows. This may get tedious. If you don't know a scale, you don't have to play it. You can skip right on through. But play the ones that you do know. And if you mess up, it's all good. And he's doing this in one single take. Look at Will in his comfortable quarantine leisure wear, no shoes. It's all good, guys. Work your way all the way through the scales that you know. If this is all you know, perfect. And if you don't have a mallet instrument at home, you can use a piano, you can use a keyboard, you can use one of those practice bell sets that you might have from middle school. You can go, if you have a friend close by and you're not afraid of visiting them right now, you can use some of their stuff. That's cool too. And if you don't have anything, that's all right as well. Just make sure you get the drumming part in, because I know you've got drumsticks and pads at home. And notice, he doesn't have the best quality video. This is not a professional recording at all. He's just using what he has to the best of his abilities. He moved down the octave to get to the next scale. Oh, now he's in his minor scales as well. If you don't know your minor scales, you are free to look them up, practice them up, and then play what you know. So we finished the scales and we're moving on to the green exercise. He's playing at a tempo that is comfortable for him, and he's playing right through it. We're looking to see who can stay with their metronome. This is our 4 mallet exercise. We're looking to see who knows how to hold the mallets properly. We're looking at hand control. We're looking at tempo control, balance between the different sticks' volumes. Is one hand louder or softer than the other? Do you have control over the outer and inner mallets, over the different permutations? And if you have no idea what I'm talking about, don't worry about it. Try to figure out what you can. Thank you, Will, for doing an example audition video. Hopefully you've learned a little bit about how to make your own. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. If you thought of something that I didn't think of, put that in the comments as well. We'd love to hear what you have to say. That's all I've got for this video. If you have any questions, let us know, and we will take a look at the marching segment of the auditions in the next couple of videos. Alright guys, go get practicing. If you like what we're doing here at Virtual Percussion Camp, like, subscribe, and hit the bell.
Tap out.